Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Prenez garde.
Okay, right now I'm arriving at the train station of Saint-Pierre-des-Corps, which is beside to where my best friend and also my cousin are living. So I'm gonna meet them today and tomorrow, and then before heading back tomorrow night to the train station and going back to Charles de Gaulle Airport, because I'll fly back on Sunday evening back to China. So here I am, I'm arriving in 1 minute. The train starts to break, so I'll see you later. Half an hour later, I'm back. I'm at the train station of Saint-Pierre-des-Corps. So it's just 100 kilometers away from my hometown. So it's quite convenient to come here after 30 minutes. I'm here.
Merci. Ça sent la banane.
Ouais, ça sent la banane. Oui, il a une particularité,
Le clos.
le clos carto, c'est qu'il a un arrière-goût de banane. Tu sens un petit arrière-goût de banane? C'est fou.
C'était du vin bourru. Il n'y a pas que le vin qui était bourru. Ah ouais, c'était bon. Pouah, on est tous baroués. Oh putain. guys, good evening. I arrived in Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. So right now I'm heading to the boarding gate. So right now it's around 8 p.m. So I have to head back to Hong Kong. So a little bit tired, but quite exciting. See you. I'm going to the security, so it's super smooth. Tonight looks like there is no one here, so I'm quite happy. As you can see, this is super empty. Just walking away. Hopefully I can get maybe a row of seats where I can lay down during the flight, so finger crossed. And that's it. I'm arriving within 1 minute to the luggage checking, so let's see. Anyway, I'll see you after the checking. See you.